Hello kings and queens, thank you so much for tuning to this video. Today we are in my bathroom. Today I'm going to be doing a bathroom tour. Before we get into it, make sure you guys please subscribe to this channel and join the kingdom. Over here we talk all about how to reign in our young professional lives with Jesus Christ. Let's get into it. So you guys, I totally lost the before footage. My memory card ended up breaking and that was literally all on there, but it's okay. Just imagine a really small bathroom, and while I'm like walking you guys through it, I'll just tell you how it used to be. But the walls, which right here, completely changed. These are tile now, and I did all the way from top to bottom, but before it was just regular like wall with that bland like beige look. What else? The toilet changed, and also the shower changed. The bathtub used to be really crusty and like stained, but now it's all white. And then I just like obviously decorated it. But I'm sorry that I lost the before footage, but here is a little bathroom tour just to inspire you guys. This bathroom is so small, but because of the way I decorated it, I think that it looks a little bit bigger, and I like it. It's comfortable, it's clean, and it's simple. But anyway, here we go. Alright you guys, here's the entrance to the bathroom. This bathroom is a little bit weird because there literally is no door. There's just the door to the toilet, which is in there, but this is like the entrance to the sink area. So when you walk in over here, oh, this is my phone, let me move this. So when you walk into the left, this is the little sink area. Let me just show you guys. So I literally did tile all the way up to the ceiling, and I'm going to end up painting the ceiling when I paint other ceilings in the house, because I thought that like white really makes things bigger. And if I did like a half, like, you know, most bathrooms have like tile until like up here, like, you know, midway, and I just feel like it would make it look even smaller if I stopped halfway. And I was like, you know what, I haven't seen this before, but I'm gonna try doing the tile all the way to the top. And you guys, I love it so much. I think it's so chic, it's so beautiful, and the bathroom looks great. But yeah, this is the sink area over here. Don't ask me why we have two of these. Like, I don't know how we have so many toothbrushes in this place, but yeah, there's toothbrushes, and everybody uses their own toothpaste. So yeah, so there's that. And then over here I just have some soap for what is called hand soap. Honestly you guys, I just use some cheap Dollar Tree hand soap, so don't at me, but like I love soft soap, okay? I always buy that. And then this mirror actually came with the house. I liked how this is black, and it's kind of like the wood is kind of cracking here, but I actually like that look. Oh my god, do not mind my nails. Wow, I actually like this look. I think it's really cute, and that's kind of how I picked the theme for the bathroom. I was just like, let me just mirror this like simple, and then just with the black touch. So that's what I did. The lights were already like that. I didn't change the lights. I really like them already. And then right behind, well, on the floor here we have a little bath mat, just plain and black, like I said. The theme for this bathroom is basically just white and black, like really simple actually. And then I think eventually I want to add little knobs to these, but for now we're just gonna leave it like this. When I redo the kitchen, I'm gonna add knobs, and I'll probably add the same knobs up here. Granted, I use the same knobs, but when I do, they're probably gonna be silver just to match the little sink. And then, so this is what you saw earlier. This is what you see right when you walk in. I added this mirror here. This is literally like a $5 mirror from Walmart, because I thought, you know, small spaces, if you add a mirror, it looks bigger. So that is what I did right here, and I think it actually complements it very well, so I like that. And then over here is just behind me, and it's just a big wall of tile, because I love this tile so much. Like, I just feel like it looks so good, and I think it lightens up the bathroom. Because before, let me see if I can find the wall. Oh, I can find it. Before it was just like this right here, and it was crusty. Like, I'm gonna literally change all the walls in this house. I'm probably gonna paint these. I don't remember if this is textured in the house, but I didn't like it in the bathroom, so I feel like it just looked even smaller than it, you know, actually is. So this is what was here. So imagine that. It was a lot darker, a lot smaller looking, a lot more uncomfortable. Anyway, this light. So shout out to my dad. My dad actually did this tile walls, but then like this is like down here in the house, and now it's up here. Short people like me have to like be all the way up here just to dry our hands, but it's okay. I still think that it looked really nice, and I just put a black towel there. I went to Walmart and they didn't have like the longer one, so I need to go back. Right now I literally just have a washcloth here, and I need a hand towel, but I will get one as soon as they restock, I guess. But yeah, it's just a black hand towel. Now we're gonna walk into the actual toilet bathroom area. All right, you guys, I'm so proud of this. Let me give you guys a big like overview first. There, and there's the back. And then when you walk in, this is what it looks like. All right, so you guys, I got this new toilet. Who knew toilets were so expensive? This is what you learn when you're adulting. This toilet was like $125. Why? You don't know, say. But we went to get like the water saver thing, so it's like, you know, if you pee, I guess number 1 and then number 2. But honestly, it doesn't really matter because this is a condo and like my water is covered with the HOA. But I was like, let me be a good person and get that thing or whatever. I got this trash can, which I absolutely love. It's like ceramic, so it's like really heavy. But I think the coloring is so nice. It's like a marbly paint thing. I love that, and it matches the floors, so that's how the floors are as well. So I would like the trash can. And I got a pop of color because I was just like, it's too white and black in here. So I got this green plant at Walmart. I was like $24. This trash can was so expensive, but I had to get it. It was so cute. It was like $15 for a trash can. Like, wow. Anyway, moving on. And then here, the theme. You guys, this is my biggest and proudest moment of this bathroom because this used to be, there was no sliding door before. It was just like a shower curtain and like a shower rod and a shower curtain. But I put these sliding doors, which were like $100, but I think this was so worth it. Because I think that makes the bathroom looks even bigger, because before, like, you would see like the shower curtains right here and it would just take more space, you know, in here. But now there's so much more space and I absolutely love it. And then in the shower, also, this is also a big proud moment. This was so crusty. Like, the people that lived before us, I guess, had really stained the bathtub. It was like, you could see like a bunch of black, not black, but like dark gray dots all over it. It was disgusting, and I repainted it and now it's all white and I'm so happy and excited about it. But yeah, this towel was already in the shower, so I didn't change that. And then I just added, well, towel to my dad again, but he put this in. It's just like a rod, so we can put things in the shower so that we are not being messy. So I think that is super cute and nice. Just look at it, you guys, it's so cute. It's like a major upgrade from what we had before, so I'm very pleased with that. And then I also got this cabinet from Home Depot. Oh, this toilet was also from Home Depot, by the way. But this cabinet was like $50, I think. I thought it was really cute and simple because we used to keep things. We had like a gray rod thing here. It was so crusty, and we used to keep a lot of stuff on there, but it was all out in the open. I didn't like that, and again, it made the bathroom look even smaller. Also, you guys, I just realized I'm talking really fast. I'm sorry, I'm a fast talker, so I'm gonna try to slow down. I get a lot of comments that say I talk too fast. Sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, so we got this cabinet. Inside is literally nothing in here right now, but yeah, it's just for storage of random things that are bathroom-like things that we don't want out and about. And then the last touches I made were to, I changed this right here because it was like darker. It was like old, so we got a new one, so it's like nice and white. And same with this vent up here. But the last change I want to make are these ceilings. I want to end up painting them. And then the last thing too is I want to change these lights to blue light. Is that blue lighting? Yeah, just like the daylight blue light, because I hate yellow lights, you guys. And I'm going to change the lights all over the house, but yeah, these are eventually going to be the daylight lights. But other than that, I really love this bathroom. It's like a huge turn on from what it was before. Oh, and then also I got this bath mat. I didn't want to get like a one for the toilet and one for the bathtub because it would have just been too much. Like, literally, there's like, look at how much space there's not in this bathroom. So I wasn't about to get like 2 mats. So I just got one to put it in the middle here so you can step out and still step in here. And then when you sit, you can still have your feet on here. So I just got a bigger one here. I like this material. It's like a textured ripple and it's black. And I think it matches really nicely. But this one is literally the same thing, just different sizes. But yeah, let me give you guys a final tour of the bathroom. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this little bathroom tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. This was like a very long process, so I just want to thank my dad who helped me a lot through this building process. He's literally the best. And also shout out to God, because this was a lot. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comments. This, if you guys are interested, this costs about $500 to renovate and change everything, including the tiles. Buying everything was about like $500 to $600, so it wasn't that bad because we did it ourselves. But yes, if you guys want to see any other tour like this, let me know in the comments. I'm currently DIYing the condo and making little changes here and there. So if you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe and join the notification squad so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.